Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download PayPal application on your Android device. PayPal is an American company operating as an online payment system in the majority of countries that supports online money transfers. PayPal is the faster, safer way to send money, make an online payment, receive money, or set up a merchant account. If you'd like to download and get started by using PayPal, keep watching the video till the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Let's get started. Go to your Play Store application and tap it open. In the search box at the top, type in PayPal and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result. Tap on the install button right next to it in order to begin the download process. The download may take a while depending upon your internet speed, so make sure to be connected to a strong internet while downloading any kind of an application on your mobile device. Once you downloaded and installed your device, tap it open, and there you have downloaded PayPal application on your Android device. If you don't have an account yet, you can start by tapping on the sign up option. If you already do, tap on the login button and get ready to log into your account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.